The big brother from Shang-Chi just inherited his dad's 1 million LS430. As soon as he hit the road, he pushed the V8 engine to the limit. In order to get it home, he brought it over on a cart overnight, asking us to save this once elite king, and also to refurbish the old yellowed interior and the weathered exterior, to experience the feeling of when his dad bought $1 million luxury car back in the day. So without further ado, let's see how we bring the classic back to its peak. Arrange for the master to take detailed photos of the interior first.
The exterior also needs to be dismantled to prepare for painting later.
The dog's hiding place is full of dust and leaves. Protect the glass window to avoid scratches.
The entire interior and exterior of the car was smoothly unwrapped, and the interior was taken to the workshop for reupholstering. Then the engine was dismantled at the mechanic station